What are queues? In normal life, at the bank or the fee counter or shopping center, you will encounter this queue. So this gentleman has come earlier than all these. He might have come last. Okay. So this is a kind of queue. And here is the ticket man. When he serves the first person, he is going to leave first. And this guy is going to leave last. And the other person, if he happens to come to this counter, he will be standing here. He will not be allowed to enter here or here, right? So this is a queue. Queue is a very common data structure found in your computer algorithms, computer science, various scenario you'll see queue. And this particular queue is container of these elements where the insertion and removal are done in FIFO principle. Means first he might have come first, so first he will be out. First he will be out and then he will be out. So first in, first out. And the person who has come first, as he is relieved, this person becomes the first here, right? And in the similar manner, when this he has come, he has to wait till all these are served. Queue, this is a data structure where first in, first come out is done, and there are two possible operations that can be done. First is the removal of elements from list. If we implement it using list or array, the removal can be done from the one end and the insertion can be done from the other end. We call it as the front, we call it as the rear. So the removal is only possible from front, and the insertion or addition or appending can only be done here. So this is first come first out or FIFO type of FIFO data structure. So what we are going to do here is, we'll see about this first, then rear, and these two are our end for insertion and deletion. There are various applications of queue. That is why it becomes so important. In a single processor, multitasking computer, job waiting to be processed form a queue. So whenever there is a, say, process, so we have long-term scheduler and short-term scheduler. They does exactly that. They place the item in queue. So first, whichever has come, then they are being processed first. So you have all that round robin, and there are number of short task first. All these scheduling there are, but the basic thing is they are placed in the queue. Then if you compile high-level language, then also queue is formed. In a download manager, the multiple files also uses queue for ordering the file. In a multi-user OS, job scheduling is done through queue.